Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to activate Zenith Bank e-token. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your App Store or your Play Store and then download Zenith Bank e-token app. And once downloaded, what you need to do is open up the app and you'll be seeing something like this on your interface. Now keep in mind that if you have the Zenith Bank app, you won't be able to get your Zenith Bank e-token. So what you need to do once you are in here is tap on continue. And once you tap on continue, you'll be getting this process, that is I am registering as an individual or a corporate user. So just select what you prefer, and then once you do that, you need to choose your activation method. There are three methods, that is hardware token, debit card and quick access. If you select hardware token, you need to enter in your account number, your PIN plus your token, and then tap on continue to register. If you select your debit card, you need to enter in your account number, debit card last 6-digit number, and then your debit card PIN number, and then tap on continue. And if you use quick access, you need an activation code to complete your registration. Visit the nearest Zenith Bank branch to get your activation code, and then tap on enter in the code and then register your e-token. And that's basically how to activate Zenith Bank e-token. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.